Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. For this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to log out from Zoom. So for that, open the Zoom application first. You are currently logged in into the account of yours. Now for you to log out from this account, you will need to follow few simple steps. So first is you tap on more on the bottom right corner, tap that. Once you're at this page, you tap on the profile name of yours on the top, tap on it. This will direct you to the My Profile. Here on the profile page, you scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Sign Out. Tap that. Do you want to sign out? Tap on Yes, and this will get you signed out of your Zoom account right away. So this is how you can easily log out Zoom. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.